Welcome back. Now to create the flying animation, let's set up a stage first. So to my stage, I will add a backdrop. I select this blue sky backdrop and say okay. Into the sky, I need a sun over there, so I go to space theme. In the space theme, I have a sun over here. I select sun and I place the sun on the top of this sky. Now I need a character that will fly. So I go to theme flying over here. You can see we have a theme flying. So click on the flying theme. You will see lots of characters that can fly over here, or you can use those characters to make a flying animation. I choose this red parrot and say okay. Yeah, that's it. So my stage is ready. I have a character on the stage, I have a backdrop, and I have one more element over here, sun. So this was about setting up the stage. We will see you in another video.